So we agreed on a plan.
We have.
Yes.
Yes.
So let's just quickly go over that because we want to make sure that we're on the same page.
I know.
So we're gonna present the will and dish out what we can. Keep anything that we want.
I've got a few ideas.
Oh, have you?
Yeah, I have. I've got ideas in there already.
But we want them to believe that they're getting something.
Absolutely.
Look, are you aware that there's been a question as to the validity of these supposed lawyers' qualifications?
Well, that's why I asked you to come along today, because I think we need a bit more people looking at these guys.
Hey, objection. We're fully qualified, thank you.
The both of us are fully qualified. I can send it to you later. I can get it. I can send it straight through to your firm. Just let me know what your firm is, where you stand.
Because we need to check your qualifications too.
Absolutely.
So, since when have you been administering Hetty's will?
Since it was handed to us.
And when was that?
Was it handed to us? About 5 years ago.
About 5 years ago.
5 years ago.
Yes.
Okay, so where was Hetty then?
She was in Chile, of course.
Well, I don't know about these guys. They're all a bit chunky. My interest is representing you guys, the Cow Power connection. And it's important that you tell me what you want out of today. So what is it?
Well, I can tell you what I want. There's a 18th century communion cup that she grabbed from my mother when she visited about 10 years ago. We'd had it valued. It was at least $10,000 worth.
Wow.
And I want it back. I want to use it for my daughter's education.
You're my lawyer. I paid a lot of money for you. Get my things and my money. What are you doing?
As your lawyer, I have prepared a brief to present to the attorneys representing the estate, and I can assure you, madam, that your interests are my interests, and I'm going to be sure to get every single thing that you guys want to get. Now let's start it.
Hetty promised me that I would get those jewels, those emeralds and those sapphires. I deserve them.
Okay, we'll get them.
Pearl hair clip.
Pearl hair clips? Yeah, okay, jewellery, pearl hair clips, good. And what's your choice, my dear?
I wanted the 2 coins in that container. They're very expensive, so...
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Now, these guys, they have been a bit slow in responding to my requests to get this thing going. So I'm a bit doubtful about what they really want for themselves. So we're going to have to be pretty forceful in making sure that we get our just desserts.
Yes, and I'd like to know about the wallet. That's what I'm interested in.
What wallet?
There's a wallet there that Aunt Hetty had. I'd love to know what is actually in it. It looks very
Wow.
a lot of money.
I'm sure you'll be able to get the wallet for her. We have been paying you lots of money, haven't we? You have paid him.
Yes, definitely.
It hasn't hit my account yet.
Ah.
But anyway, look, there are bigger fish to fry here, okay? I haven't levelled with you. I'm representing you, fine, but I'm actually Harvard trained. I'm a lawyer for a mining company, and there's a particular parcel of land in Chile that's got a 90% chance of vast copper reserves. So whatever you want is inconsequential. All I want today is that plot.
I want the medal, the war medal.
What do you want them for?
Well, her husband was my first husband.
What? She's been married twice?
Yes, yeah.
Who did she marry?
What was that?
Who did she marry?
Aunt Hetty.
Who did Aunt Hetty marry, I mean?
My husband.
And who was he?
Bernhard Smith.
Now, everybody, I think we just need to take a moment. Yeah. Everything is just getting a little bit out of hand.
Oh, me. Oh. What about what Hetty wanted? Everyone's I want. What about Hetty's will?
Well, that's a very good point. Nobody has put Hetty at the centre of this and what her wishes were.
Don't think you're right
Here
there.
we go.
Huh?
Here we go.
Yep. Well, I think I need to bring to your attention something that at the moment none of you know.
Here we go.
Oh, right. What's this?
I would like to introduce you to Hetty's illegitimate daughter.
No.
We have the latest version.
The proof.
The latest version of Hetty's will with her birth certificate.
Thank you.
And Hetty has left everything to her daughter here.
Absolutely everything, thank you.
Are you saying Hetty lied to us?
Hetty did not lie to you.
I think you're lying.
I am not
You
lying.
You're the lawyer.
Yeah.
Come on, just give us our things.
I call her
Go
Mama
show us the
Hetty.
stuff.
I've always called her Mama Hetty.
Bring the stuff out.
rubbish.
Give us a look at it all.
So
Bring
what
it
do
out.
you want? You want this crappy thing?
Or whatever we ask for, we want it.
That's mine.
No,
Getting it.
we deserve to get something. She promised us.
It was
our
left
jewels
to.
and everything.
It was left to me. I'm sorry, but
I want to see
I feel
the proof.
sorry for you. I really, really do. I
Hetty
feel very
promised us
sorry
it.
for you.
I want
She
to see the
wouldn't lie
proof.
to her great granddaughters.
Hairbands, whatever else. Look, we're interested in one thing, and there's a little piece of paper in that box, and it's a deed to a disused piece of land in Chile. That's what I want. Forget everything else. That's what I want for my clients.
Oh, well, it doesn't sound like you want it for your clients. It sounds like you want it for yourself and your big corp mining whatever. And in actual fact, we don't have the deeds here.
Hetty didn't say anything about copper. She didn't say anything about
Well, of
land.
course she wouldn't.
What do you mean by that?
Well, she doesn't know about it, for starters.
Okay,
Oh, really?
So you're saying Hetty has left something for your clients that she didn't even know about. She left everything to me. So
So
I
if
don't know.
no one knows about it, then you're not entitled to it. So
Well, then obviously
when-
you aren't either.
Your claims about an illegitimate child, I believe, are illegitimate.
I don't.
I think this is
buy a word
rubbish.
of any of this stuff. I don't even know what you're on about, to be honest.
And by the way, that cup was never Hetty's in the first place. She stole it.
Now just hold on. I've taken the liberty of examining this photograph you've presented as evidence of a so-called illegitimate child, and that photographic process was last used over 100 years ago. That child would have had to have been...
Over 100 years ago.
That is rubbish. I know what a photograph looks like, and as well as that, the birth certificate may as well have been printed yesterday. So I put it to you, my learned friends, that you've manufactured this latest version of the will, you've manufactured the birth certificate, and you're manufacturing this whole story to your own benefit.
I think you're manufacturing this story.
I'm preparing a report for the Bar Association this minute, which will be presented, and I strongly recommend that you suddenly find another latest version of the will, which bequeaths the majority of the estate to my clients, and if there is mention of any patch of land, at least a 50% portion of that, thank you very much. So
Finished?
you will have a knock on your office doors very soon, and I recommend that you follow the right procedure.
I just don't understand any of this. This just seems really strange and very sus.
No, it's
Bit
not.
like my cup. Everything, it's just sus. You'd know if she had an illegitimate daughter,
As
wouldn't
far
you?
as I know, no, she did not.
Well, she did.
And I've never heard of her either, and I've looked it up on Ancestry many times to see what's...
Well, Mama Hetty did a very good job at hiding it, didn't she? And it's not the first time that someone who has an illegitimate child sneaks off and has it without anyone knowing.
But then again, it would be recorded somewhere.
Well, we are talking about South America.
Tell them about Dad. Tell them about Dad.
You sure?
Yeah, you can tell them about our father.
Yeah, true. Okay.
You're making this up as you go. This is absolutely ridiculous.
Well, I'll tell you what's ridiculous. What's ridiculous is that you're all here expecting a slice of Hetty's pie. And I'm here to tell you there ain't no pie to be split up.
Oh, rubbish.
True.
Oh, it is. It is the truth.
Yes. Our father
Yes.
came
We are
to...
half sisters. We share the same father.
Hetty fell on deep and dark times. This is what you don't know about her because none of you have been over to see her. None of you have been in touch.
No.
You just expect that from this great distance you will be given something simply because she has it.
So you say no one's been to Chile to see her. Well, I'll dispute that. I've been to Chile.
She's been to a bargain store.
Exactly. Just because you got the T-shirt.
Just because
Do
she's
not
got
question
some
this lady.
second-hand
She knows
shop.
what she's talking about.
Does she now?
She
So-
does indeed.
This has been a plan that Hetty cooked up
What plan?
to find out who was trying to steal all her money.
Oh, for goodness sake, that's because of what happened
Yes.
over there
Exactly.
in Chile.
I
She
think we
fell
know
in
who's
hard
stealing
times.
whose money,
No.
don't we?
She
Well,
fell on hard times.
It's funny you should ask
And
about
that's-
whose money it is.
Yes.
Oh, by the way, my fees have gone up.
Hetty fell on very dark times.
And I think it's time you listen to this.
And she had to find, shall we say, other ways of living once poor old Bernie had died.
Well, I see you've fallen for the trap that Hetty set.
No, she lost everything. Drugs.
No.
It was drugs.
What do you mean he wants more money?
More time, more money.
Oh, you're not getting anything. The girls have sold everything. Tell them what you've done.
I sold my bed, my puppy, even my books.
I sold all my necklaces, all my jewellery, my most expensive hair clip. There's nothing else to give.
Well, I sold everything, even your education fund. He took everything.
Well, it's a really sad story, and I'm sorry for you both that you have nothing left, and Mum selling their education, bit dodgy. But anyway, speaking of having nothing, poor Hetty.
Poor Hetty. She has absolutely nothing.
She does, yeah?
You
Nothing at all.
Tell them the story quickly because they haven't been listening.
Right, okay. So, long story short, Hetty fell onto hard times when Bernie passed away. A man came along to offer her a way out of
which
poverty.
She happily took.
She did. She didn't have much choice, really.
No, not really.
And that man was our father.
Indeed. And I am very, very thankful.
Yes, absolutely.
It was rough.
Yeah.
Oh, that was such a long flight. Look, everybody's here. Oh, hola! Good to see you all. Except none of you come to see me when I was over in Chile, which is where I've just come from, red shirt. Great to be out of jail today. All the way from Chile to see you people, and I don't know one of you.
Hetty?
Not one of you.
Mum!
I don't know you at all from a bar of soap, I'm afraid.
Oh, Hetty, 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 Hetty.
Yes,
You
that's my
are
name.
so full of it.
Mum.
We know that the only reason you've been in prison is because that you failed as a drug lord. And our father had to sack you from the whole network. You ended up in prison.
You, I'm not sure about you. You're the lawyer. You kids, go home and stay safe. This lady was married to my husband before I married him, so she's got no right to anything here. I don't know you terribly well, and you two, I don't know you at all because you never came and saw me.
Well,
excuse
Hetty-
me,
Hang on, does this mean there's
excuse
no
me,
will?
Excuse me.
It doesn't
There is
matter.
no will because I'm here. I'm taking the box, and Jeff, we're going to Peru.
Well, you've always been a little bit hot.
Oh, don't go smooching up too much there, Jeff.
Yeah, so Peru. Look, can we make a little stop off in Chile? You know that little block of land? You haven't sold it yet, have you?
Chile, no, I haven't sold it yet,
No?
and I can take you to it, but
Yeah.
I'll tell you just where it is when we get there, if you come with me.
We've got to go together.
Yeah, well, if you want to have a bit of a share in anything, we're together, mate.